Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a movement to build financial applications on top of open, decentralized networks like Ethereum. These applications aim to provide users with financial services that are fast, cheap, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Some common examples of DeFi applications are 1. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. These allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other, without the need for a central authority. 2. Lending protocols. These allow users to borrow and lend cryptocurrencies to each other, setting the terms of the loan themselves. 3. Stablecoins. These are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the value of a real-world asset, like the US dollar, in order to reduce volatility. Overall, the goal of DeFi is to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system that is not controlled by any single entity. What's the difference between DeFi and centralized finance? Centralized finance, Cefi, refers to traditional financial systems that are controlled by a central authority, such as a bank or government. These systems rely on intermediaries to facilitate financial transactions and often require users to go through a complex process to access financial services. Decentralized finance, DeFi, on the other hand, is built on top of open, decentralized networks like Ethereum and does not rely on a central authority to function. This means that users can access DeFi applications directly, without the need for intermediaries. There are a few key differences between Cefi and DeFi. 1. Control. Cefi is controlled by a central authority, while DeFi is decentralized and controlled by a network of users. 2. Accessibility. Cefi systems often have strict requirements for who can access their services, while DeFi is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. 3. Transparency. Cefi systems may not be transparent in their operations, while DeFi is designed to be transparent and open. 4. Censorship resistance. Cefi systems can be subject to censorship by the central authority, while DeFi is designed to be censorship resistant. Overall, the main difference between Cefi and DeFi is that DeFi is designed to be a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system that is not controlled by any single entity.